Hello guys, I'm going to be filming Tropical Storm Debby some more. She can't come out here. And put the umbrella up. I want to show y'all how overflowing what's on. I stepped on something. There's a pond over there that's overflowing. Hey guys, that. Like there's like a pond. See that? I don't know how well we can see it on camera, because I can't really see it on camera. Is that like it might just be the angle. See that? All the woods are flooded. There used to be a river over there, a small river. We'll just say the river has expanded the whole woods. A better angle at it. All of that. Is that pretty well on the camera? Like the whole entire woods is just overflowing. Maybe we'll film another video. Kayaking. I want to show you all the stuff. Look at all the puddles. All the puddles. I don't know if it ain't that hot. It was. We went over to the woods a little bit ago. A pond overflowing back there. That's what creating the river. You can see it from the other side. I'm not going to do that right now. And yeah. I'm going to film all the flooding happening. There's a puppy dog! Look at the puppy dog! Oh, look at the puppy! It's a puppy! It's a puppy! Oh, puppy dog! It's a puppy dog! Oh, oh yeah. The puppy dog's following us! The puppy's following us! I also need to, again, out there to show you all something.
Leave your umbrella outside. Leave your shoes outside.
Okay.
Why do you keep trying to bring your umbrella?
I'm filming a YouTube video right now. I'll just go umbrella-less.
Blake, we can go take the cart around a little bit.
Okay.
Can we go take the cart around?
Yeah, just wait one sec. I'm filming a YouTube video right now. So we're going umbrella-less because look, there's some geesies over there. There's some geese over there. They don't mess with us. Hopefully they're nice nice geese. Not mean ones. Just picked up. I don't want to get too close to them, but like they're swimming in the water right now. They're falling. I'll leave the geese be. Would get closer, but I don't want to disturb them. Alright, bye.